and I met in Arellano Law School. We became friends, classmates, cheatmate. Just joking.
You still the storm in me. I will not move.
Tayo po'y nagkakatipon ngayon sa harapan ng Panginoon Diyos upang pagbuklorin siya na kapatid na Darsales Jr. at kapatid na Irene sa pamamagitan ng banal na pagkasal.
When everything is broken, you carry me in the hour.
Sabi ko sa sarili ko na siya na yung lalaking makakasama ko sa buhay. Kasi pareho kami ng faith. Pareho kami ng mga gusto. And happy person din kasi si Gigi.
Dapat nating alalahanin kung gayon na ang pag-aasawa'y itinatag ng Diyos para sa kapakinabangan at kaligayahan ng mga taong kanyang nilalang.
Through the shadows of my shame, I will not move.
We have just started. Kasi nga, yung marriage is only a start for both of us to face the challenges as a couple, to stand, to fight for it as a couple.
When everything is broken, you carry me in the hour of my weakness. You carry me, and after all is torn apart, you carry me. All the weight of the world you carried
Ay
on
pinapagsasama ng Diyos ang lalaki at babae upang maging isang laman lamang sa paningin ng may kapal.
When everything is broken, you carry me in the hour of my weakness. You carry me, and after all is torn apart.
G, always remember, I'll always be here for you no matter what. I love you.